How to design this 3D text effects in Canva. At first, go to Create Design. Select a format. I will select Instagram. Now, go to Apps option. Go to Search bar and search Text Maker. Select the first one. Again, select this app. Go to Text box. I will type Canva. You can change font style if you want. You can change the color or go to Text Effect option. You will find bunch of different effects. I will select this one. You can also change text placement and spacing. I think everything is okay. Now I add this to the design. This is how you can create 3D text design using Canva. Please subscribe for more Canva tutorial.